Is it cold?
Yeah.
Do it again.
No.
Go fast this time. You're going slow. Ready, set, Parker. Ready, set, go. Run!
Yeah.
That was almost a collision. Ready, set, go! Well, someone's got to go.
What?
You got to go. Run! Uh-oh. Hey! Okay, go try again. Go, Nate. Parker. Where did it go? Parker, what did you do?
I didn't do something.
Where did it go?
I don't know.
What'd you do?
I don't know.
What happened?
I don't know.
What'd you do?
I don't know.
Oh, you want to get me, huh? Okay, come here.
No.
Nathan, run through this water.
Huh?
Run through that water.
No.
You're going to the park? See you later. Hey, Parker, come here.